Are you ready?
Yeah. To fall in the water, probably, yeah.
And go out on the inflatable.
By the way, we've arrived.
Yeah. Yeah. Smile. Damn.
What's all the fuss about?
Right, now drive.
Maybe because there's no waves.
Yeah, probably.
Jill's having a bad hair day.
Come on, now.
I'm quite good here,
You're coming in. I have to drag you.
Well, that was too easy. It's actually like bath water, you know that, don't you? It is, come on. Come on.
What is that kid doing?
Like bath water, honestly.
I'm coming. Are you getting in? Go on then.
Where's the bubbles?
I'm going to stand up.
Well then.
That would be fun.
You did that last year.
Oh.
And she fell in. Go on, Jill.
Can I stand?
Right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Can I stand for more than 5 seconds?
Oh, she's doing it.
Oh my god! Probably not.
Nathan, turn around. That's it.
I'm actually a really confident swimmer, but I don't want to put these guys.
Tell you what, smile, matey, smile. There you go.
My best to smile. This is the first, so leave me alone.
You're in a river.
It's terrifying for blind people. What is
The float's behind you.
Shark!
Shark.
I can't move. It's just I've got no control where I'm going.
You can't move very well with a life jacket on.
Yeah.
Kick your legs.
Well, that's
Kick your legs.
well useful.
That's it. You're moving.
No, I'm not.
And move your arms.
I can't see where I'm going. Wait.
I'll tell you if you're going to hit anything.
Nathan, you're better off not seeing where you're going.
No, it's beautiful.
Yeah, so do that with your arm.
I need my white
That's
cape.
it.
My white cape.
You're actually swimming.
Dragging me along.
Do it. Kick your legs and do that with your arm. Keep
Probably
going.
got too much buoyancy to
You're stuck on the rope, that's why.
Where is the rope?
Behind you. Come this way.
Hello.
You have your arm and kick your legs.
Oh, how do I get over there?
That's it.
Can I just swim like this for the rest of my life?
Don't let him go too far, he might drift off, Emma.
I'll see you in
This
Johannesburg.
way.
No, I want to come that way. Back to I'm actually moving. It's actually quite annoying being blind in water. I can't tell if I'm moving, if I've got nothing tactile.
Face is horrible.
As soon as your hands leave.
You've got to beat 15, 20 seconds.
Yeah, 20 seconds. As soon as your hands leave it, because you're only hanging over.
Is he going to get up?
Right.
3,
1, 2.
3, 4, 5.
Oh, it's wet now though, that's slicky surface. I should get added 10 seconds.
No, sorry mate.
Right.
Right, you're what? No, hang on.
When you are ready.
The sun's blinding me, but
Right then, off you go. Right, as soon as your hands leave, we'll start.
Nobody pull that rope.
They won't. It's on the boat anyway. Yeah, let's go. Yeah,
One.
2,
Uh-oh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Don't.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
His legs are good.
14, 15, 16,
Easy.
17, 18, 20.
How do you not fall in? Are you going
I
again?
like good as a mum. I wanted to do the one.
She's on the boat. What?
Emma's filming you.
Come on.
Come on, you're going to wiggle.
I'm lacking stamina. Right.
Jab with her. 1, 2,
Stand up.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Straight.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
One leg.
15, 16,
It's impossible.
17, 18,
You're riding it.
20. Oh, go on then, one leg because you've won. Go on, one leg. Oh!
How do you not fall in? Driving.
Emma, what are you doing?
Driving.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Can you see the next one?
No.
Right,
There.
straight ahead, yeah. Just keep right now. Turn right, right.
Left. Not the right.
Someone's beating me.
I want to go faster.
Not working.
I think it's gone flat.
What?
I think it's lost its battery.
It hasn't.
Right, it's not turning on.
No, it's on, mate.
Oh, is it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
A bit loud, that's why.
I couldn't. Yeah, I literally couldn't hear a thing. Oh my
Don't
God.
film yet because I'm in the way.
Okay.
Right, go on,
we can edit it anyway.
Everywhere.
Drinks are everywhere. I've never been so terrified in my life. Drinks.
Feels lovely ambience.
Oh, that's the ambiance. 12, 10.
What time is it?
9 o'clock.
The barbecue's on.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
Mhm.
We had KFC for breakfast.
I know, but it's after all that learning to swim. Smashed
You need
it.
to learn to swim properly,
I'm getting there.
Dad.
It's getting there.
I'm getting there. That was one.
That was
like,
with me teaching.
an hour and a half in a pool. If that.
Dad's a swimming teacher. He'll help. I think. He used to teaching children
I'm a child.
and some people. Nathan, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, dear.